Today we journey to Nawab Kot, a hidden gem in Punjab, Pakistan. Nestled in Rahim Yar Khan district, this peaceful town offers a unique glimpse into a gentler way of life. The air carries whispers of ancient stories and the scent of the earth. Nawab Kot is a bridge between fertile plains and the vast Cholistan desert. This unique position shapes its climate and culture, offering a rich tapestry for any observer. Its beauty is subtle, found in swaying fields and warm smiles. Life here moves at a slower pace, allowing visitors to appreciate the surroundings. The true essence of Nawab Kot lies in its unspoiled character. Far from urban clamor, it offers a refreshing escape. The vast skies and changing landscapes create a symphony of peace. For the curious traveler, Nawab Kot is more than a destination, it's an experience. It offers a chance to witness the delicate balance between human life and nature. This small town holds a quiet charm, inviting those who seek peace and connection with nature. Nawab Kot is a place for those who want to see a different side of Pakistan. The journey here is a journey into a world where nature still holds sway. The vast open skies and sounds of the wild create a symphony of peace. For the curious traveler, Nawab Kot is more than just a destination. It is an experience, a chance to witness the delicate balance between human life and the natural world. This captivating setting offers a unique perspective on the beauty of Punjab. Nawab Kot awaits those who wish to discover its gentle wilderness. Nawab Kot's geography tells a story of two worlds. The life-giving Indus River creates vast, fertile plains. These plains are the lifeblood of the region, supporting thriving agriculture. Canals crisscross the land, carrying water to fields of cotton, wheat and sugarcane. This productive land is a testament to the power of water and human ingenuity. As you move away from the river, the land changes. The greenery fades, giving way to the Cholistan desert. This desert, known locally as Rohi, is a place of stark beauty. Rolling sand dunes and sparse vegetation create a challenging yet vibrant environment. Nawab Kot sits at this meeting point, experiencing the best of both worlds. The fertile plains ensure food and livelihood, while the desert offers wilderness and adventure. This unique position influences the local climate and biodiversity. The interplay between the river's bounty and the desert's austerity defines Nawab Kot's character. It makes it a place of fascinating ecological diversity and scenic contrasts. Nawab Kot is a microcosm of the larger environmental tapestry of southern Punjab. The proximity to the fertile plains ensures food and livelihood. The nearby desert offers a sense of wilderness and adventure. This unique geographical position influences the local climate. It also affects the types of plants and animals found here. The interplay between the river's bounty and the desert's austerity defines the character of Nawab Kot. It makes it a place of fascinating ecological diversity and scenic contrasts. Agriculture is the heart of Nawab Kot, the main source of income for many families. The fertile soil blessed by the Indus River allows for bountiful harvests. Local farmers have a deep understanding of the land and its seasons. Cotton, often called white gold, thrives here, covering fields in fluffy white clouds. Sugarcane sways in the breeze, processed into sugar and enjoyed locally. Wheat, a staple food crop, paints the fields golden at harvest time. Beyond these, Nawab Kot is known for its delicious mangoes. Mango orchards are common, producing sweet, flavorful varieties. During summer, markets fill with these juicy fruits, enjoyed locally and beyond. The agricultural abundance is not just economic, it's a way of life. It is deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the community. The success of the cotton crop often determines the prosperity of the region. Sugarcane and wheat ensure food security and provide raw materials for industries. Mangoes add another layer to the agricultural diversity of Nawab Kot. This fertile land is a testament to nature's generosity when nurtured by human hands. The agricultural abundance is not just an economic factor, it is a way of life. It is deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the community. Nawab Kot's rich harvests showcase the harmony between nature and human effort. The plant life around Nawab Kot is wonderfully adapted to survive in a land of contrasts. Some areas are fertile, while others near the desert are dry. The plants here are tough and resilient, coping with heat and lack of moisture. Acacia trees, known locally as kikar, have thorny branches and small leaves to reduce water loss. Their hardwood is used for fuel and making furniture. Tamarix, or salt cedar, stabilizes soil and prevents erosion. These plants play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Grasses and smaller shrubs show incredible adaptation, springing to life with rain. They form the base of the food chain for many local animals. The flora of Nawab Kot possesses a quiet strength, showcasing nature's ingenuity. It is a testament to how life can flourish in seemingly harsh conditions. Acacia trees provide shade and attract bees with their fragrant flowers. Tamarix plants have feathery leaves and delicate flowers, thriving in salty soil. These plants are vital to the local ecosystem, offering food and shelter. The flora of Nawab Kot, though not flamboyant, possesses a quiet strength. It showcases how life can flourish, even in harsh conditions. The enduring plants of Nawab Kot create a unique and hardy vegetation cover. They are a testament to nature's ingenuity and resilience. The diverse landscapes around Nawab Kot support a variety of animal life. From riverbanks to desert fringes, creatures have adapted to survive. The region is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Blackbucks with their spiral horns grace the open grasslands. Chinkaras or Indian gazelles blend into the arid surroundings. They thrive in dry conditions, getting moisture from plants. Nawab Kot is home to a rich variety of bird life, including birds of prey and water birds. Smaller mammals like foxes and hares, along with reptiles, add to the biodiversity. The presence of these creatures adds wonder to this fascinating area. Exploring Nawab Kot can reveal remarkable encounters with its native fauna. The region's biodiversity makes it a living, breathing ecosystem. It is full of hidden wonders for the patient observer to discover. Nawab Kot's remarkable animal inhabitants contribute to its ecological significance. Nawab Kot is surrounded by places of great natural beauty. The banks of the mighty Indus River offer peace and a chance to connect with the wild. The river flows gently, its banks green and lush. The sunsets over the Indus are spectacular, reflecting the changing sky. The vast Kholistan Desert offers a unique adventure with endless sand dunes. Desert safaris by jeep or camel provide unforgettable experiences. Lal Suhanra National Park, a biosphere reserve, is nearby. It is home to rare and endangered species, including blackbuck and chinkara. The park offers a deeper insight into the region's rich wildlife. These natural treasures offer something for everyone. Whether you seek quiet contemplation, desert exploration, or rare wildlife, you can find it here. These places are relatively untouched by mass tourism, allowing for an authentic experience. They are sanctuaries for plants, animals, and the human spirit. They remind us of the beauty and importance of the natural world. Nawab Kot's natural treasures encourage a sense of wonder and respect. The Indus River and Kholistan Desert offer contrasting yet captivating environments. Lal Suhanra National Park provides a sanctuary for biodiversity. Nawab Kot serves as a gateway to these wonders, preserving the delicate balance of ecosystems. These treasures offer a peaceful escape and a chance to reconnect with nature. Nawab Kot, like much of Punjab, has a rich history. Ancient civilizations flourished along the Indus River. Trade routes crossed these lands for centuries. The local culture is warm and welcoming, with a strong sense of community. Traditions and customs are tied to farming practices. Family and community are important, with extended family groups common. The cuisine reflects the agricultural produce, with fresh vegetables, lentils and grains. Wheat is used to make roti, a staple flatbread. Local fruits, especially mangoes, are a treat. Sharing a meal with a local family offers a taste of the culture. Local life is punctuated by smaller celebrations, often related to agriculture. Weddings are important community events filled with music and dance. These gatherings showcase the vibrant local culture. They are a time for people to come together and celebrate life. Witnessing such events offers a glimpse into the rich social fabric. Nawab Kot's cultural heritage adds depth to any visit. It offers a chance to connect with the enduring traditions of Punjab. Understanding Nawab Kot's climate is key for planning a visit. Summers are hot and dry, while monsoons bring some relief. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to March. The weather is pleasant, ideal for exploring and wildlife spotting. Reaching Nawab Kot is straightforward with road and rail connections. Rahim Yar Khan City is the nearest large town with transport links. Local buses or taxis can take you to Nawab Kot. When visiting, dress modestly and respect local customs. The sun can be strong, so wear a hat and use sunscreen. Carry drinking water, especially in drier areas. The local people are hospitable and a friendly greeting goes a long way. Embrace the local pace of life for a rewarding visit. Nawab Kot offers a chance to reconnect with nature and a simpler way of living. The cooler months provide comfortable conditions for a truly enjoyable trip. Planning your journey in advance ensures a smooth arrival. Nawab Kot's charm lies in its tranquility and the warmth of its people. It is a place to escape the noise of the modern world. The journey to Nawab Kot is a journey of discovery. It offers an experience that enriches the soul. Nawab Kot is a hidden gem, offering natural beauty and rural life. Its charm lies in the tranquility of its landscapes and the warmth of its people. This is a place to escape the noise of the modern world. It is a place to reconnect with nature and a simpler way of living. For the traveler seeking an offbeat destination, Nawab Kot is ideal. It is far from the usual tourist trails, offering an authentic side of Pakistan. The journey to Nawab Kot is a journey of discovery. It is a chance to see the fertile plains and the stark beauty of the Kholistan desert. The combination of diverse ecosystems is truly special here. The lush riverine areas support rich agriculture and birdlife. The nearby desert offers a captivating environment. The presence of unique flora and fauna adds to its ecological significance. Lal Suhanra National Park provides a sanctuary for biodiversity. Nawab Kot serves as a gentle gateway to these natural wonders. It reminds us of the delicate balance within our planet's ecosystems. Nawab Kot awaits the discerning explorer, offering an enriching experience. It is a place to observe, learn and reflect. The tranquility of its riverbanks and the vastness of its desert views create a tapestry of quiet allure. Nawab Kot is a small town with a big spirit, a true pearl of Pakistan.